Let's make this easy and tasty avocado toast. For this, you can use half an avocado or one avocado based on the size and quantity you require. Cut it in half and remove the seed. Then scoop out the flesh. If you are using half an avocado, you can use the avocado mixture on 2 to 3 slices of bread. I have used only half an avocado. Now use a fork or spoon and mash the avocado until it is as smooth as you like it. Once you have mashed it, add a teaspoon of chopped coriander or cilantro leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of finely minced garlic, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of pepper. Mix this well. You can also add a teaspoon of lemon juice to this for better taste. Mashed avocado is more creamy and luxurious than sliced avocado. The avocado mixture is now ready. Now let's toast the bread. Spread a generous amount of butter on both the sides of the bread slice. Some people mash the avocado on the bread, but it's better not to, as you may end up poking holes in it or smashing it. Also, you want to use ripe but not overripe avocados. Look for ones that yield a bit to a gentle squeeze rather than ones that are mushy inside. And if you find any bruised or brown bits when you cut them open, scoop those out and discard them before mashing the rest. Toast the bread until it is firm and golden. You can also use brown bread to make it healthier. Now spread the avocado mixture on top of the toast. You can enjoy it as is or top it with some extras like a fried, poached or scrambled egg, pickled onions, your favorite sauce or some sliced cherry tomatoes. There are many variations. I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper. You can also use mixed herbs and red chili flakes. Your avocado toast is now ready to be munched on. Consume it immediately and enjoy.